Hello guys, today we're in a hunt to get 3 wide racing in NASCAR Racing 2. And here we go. I just did all of the settings of the game. Now it should work. By the way guys, while I'm driving this car, don't forget to like and subscribe because that's the OG way 2017 YouTubers do. So the viewers don't forget to subscribe if they like their channel. We're still in the backstretch. Now, now we're in turn 3, and this is where mostly of the 3 wide racing goes before it becomes 1 wide in the straightway. Commentator. Okay, now we're in Sterling Marlin. Look at this roof. Look at this view. There is it. 3 wide, 3 wide. There it goes. Now it becomes 2 wide. Now 1 wide. By the way, after the commentating, look at these 3 wide racing pictures from my past. And now look at this cool Pumo Talladega crash.